Assalamu Alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you all are fine, good, cool, and having joy. If you guys are new here, so please subscribe this channel right now for getting my more tutorials and turn on your bell icon for getting notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can easily follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. You guys can go to the link and follow me on Instagram. And in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you tie a beautiful she mark that I'm tying right now in Omer Borkan looks. So let's see how can you tie this. And for purchasing this kind of she marks and turbans, you guys can also contact to our brand Adil. WhatsApp number is given in the description. Let's start this video.
وميض الحب ألبسني حنينا لم يغب عني لأني منك هل أنسى بأنك دائما مني وميض الحب ألبسني حنينا لم يغب عني لأني منك هل أنسى بأنك دائما مني بأنك دائما مني ويمنع.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if yep, so give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below because I'm just waiting for your comments. And Allah Hafiz till my next video.